19th problem, see here. The question is given to you that find the points on the curve x square plus y square. Here the question is given to you a little bit different compared to the previous curves. Previously the curves are given to you y equal to something. But here y equal to something, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0 is the curve. So it parallel to the x-axis is given. Okay, it is the lines are the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. At what points the tangent is parallel to the x-axis? So now here, what to do here for that case? You need to find out the obviously dy by dx. So differentiating this with respect to x on both sides. So differentiating with respect to x on both sides. So what do you get here? 2x plus 2y dy by dx. 2y dy by dx minus 2 is equals to 0. Isn't it? So what you are going to get? We are going to get, we need dy by dx. Means 2 पूरा से common ले लो. Right side से 0 हो जाएगा. So what do you get here? X plus y dy by dx minus 1 is equals to 0 by 2, which is equals to 0. Okay. And we need this one. One right hand side is 1. So y dy by dx is equals to 1 minus x. So what do you get? Dy by dx is equals to minus x by y. Okay. Divya, can you hear me? Is it audible to you? Okay. 1 minus x by 1 minus x by y is equals to 0 actually, right? Because as it is given the slope of the tangent is equals to slope of x-axis. What is the slope of x-axis? 0. So that is nothing but dy by dx 1 minus x by y is equals to 0. Actually 1 minus x by y directly नहीं है. At particular point हमें a comma b लेना है. Suppose a comma b ले लिया. At that particular point, let a comma b, the tangent is parallel to x-axis. So then इधर ये substitute करना, b substitute करना. अब ये आ जाएगा. ये is nothing but x coordinate. So directly I am taking care. The previous problem we are having a point, another point. So that's why a comma b is taken. So here it is x value we need to find out now. X value find out करना है. So 1 minus x is equals to 0. X is equals to 1. Yet x is equals to 1. At the point x is equals to 1, the slope of the tangent to this curve is equals to 0. That is x-axis. So parallel to the x-axis. Slope of the tangent is equal to slope of x-axis. X equal to 1. X equal to 1 means y value क्या है? Y value you need to find out not from here. In this you have to substitute. Substitute in the given curve.
So from there like 1 minus 1 by y. Like that is equal to 1 minus x by y. Because x equal to 1.
इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया तो 0 हो जाएगा. Actually क्या ना, this point is, this is what here x value 1 कर्व में है. ये कर्व मान लो, इसके ऊपर है. So what is the curve equation? This is the curve equation. X is equals to 1 is the point का x coordinate. Y coordinate चाहिए तो then you need to substitute in the given curve. So given curve में substitute कर ले तो 1 plus y square minus 2 minus 3 is equals to 0. Y square is equals to 5 minus 1. Y square is equals to 4. Y is equals to plus or minus 2. So at 1 comma 2 and 1 comma minus 2. At 2 points, 1 comma 2 and 1 comma minus 2. In these 2 points, that tangent is parallel to x. Can we?
taking the this it is the point where LN is second is that is the picture
वो graphical representation of the curve. इसका graphical representation चाहिए. तो इसका graphical representation चाहिए तो you need to take the x value. So graph cannot be taken here. It is as we are having the square. Okay, let us see here. किसी का ग्राफ ड्रा करना है तो रैंडमली x वैल्यू लेना है. x इज इक्वल्स टू 1,2 होगा. 2 पॉइंट्स हमको आया. 2 पॉइंट से नहीं होगा ना. We need to take a more points because this is a curve. वो ऐसा पूरा ऐसा मोड़ते जाते हैं कि कैसे भी. Okay, let us take the one more point. आप x is equals to 2 ले. If you want to draw the curve, x is equals to 2. 2 लेकर सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. 4 plus y square minus 4 minus 3 is equals to 0. तो ये 4 कैंसिल होगा. y square is equals to 3. y is equals to plus or minus root. That means we are going to take 2 ले लिया तो 2 comma root 3, 2 comma minus root. So graph 1 comma 2. 1 comma either 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1 comma 2. ये point है. 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 is a point. 1 comma minus 2 is the point. ये है. And 2 ले लिया तो 2 comma root 3. Root 3 is 1.73. इधर हो. Minus root 3 is nothing but minus 1.732 approximately here. तो 3 ले लिया. Substitute करना है. There is no 0 ले लिया. X equal to 0 if you are taking, y is equals to 3 आएगा. X equal to 0 if I am taking, y equal to root 3 आएगा. Sorry. Plus or minus root 3 आएगा. Isn't it? So 0 को भी root 3 आएगा. Sorry. Root 3 आएगा. Yes. If you take the 0 here, 0 here, y square equal to 3. Y square equal to 3 means 0 comma इधर आओ and here. तो ये कर्व कैसे भी हो सकता है. This is the curve. We cannot say that exactly ऐसा होगा बोल. Because parabola whenever you are taking y square equal to 4ax form में है. If you are taking, but this is going to be this is completely it is having a square for the x is there, square for the y is there. This is the equation. Second order two variables में second order degree है. So that's why curve is going to be completely curve हो सकता है. कैसे भी हो सकता है. हाँ, yes. हाँ, आप ड्रा करके देख सकते हैं. आप approximately 10 points you take and you try to join the 10 points. 10 points को join करो. 10 points को join करके देखो. Then you are going. Okay. Next, coming to the 20th question here. Find the equation of the normal at the particular point a n square a n cube to the curve a y square is equals to x cube. A y square is equals to x cube. And the points are a m square a n cube. A m square a n. At this particular point, normal find out करना. Very simple here. Normal is nothing but minus 1 by dy by dx at that particular point. First dy by dx find out करना है. a into 2y into dy by dx is equals to 3x square. So dy by dx is equals to 3x square by 2ay. Slope of tangent. Tangent जरूरत नहीं है. Slope of the normal is direct. But first tangent find it out. Slope of the tangent at a m square comma a m cube is equals to dy by dx at that particular point a m square a m cube. So is nothing but 3x square by 2ay at this particular point a m square a m cube. x का प्लेस में am स्क्वायर लिखना है, 2a y का प्लेस में am क्यूब लिखना है. Then which are going to get 3a square m power 4 by 2a square m cube. Square will get cancelled. 3m by 2. This is the slope of the tangent. Slope of normal क्या है? Slope of the normal minus 1 by this one, 3m by 2. So minus 2m by 3 is the slope. Slope आ गया, point है हमारे पास. What we can do? Equation of the line is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1. y1 क्या है? am cube is equals to slope क्या है? minus 2m by 3. minus 2m by 3. x minus am square. इसको simplify करो x and y values. Then we are. Can you do it? It's not more complicated now. Vidita, is it okay? 21st question see here, find the equation of the normal to the curve y equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6 which is parallel to the given line. It is very simple. Given line का parallel बोल रहे हैं normal. So equation of the normal find out करो. Find the equation of the normal to the curve. So normal to the curve, already it is given to you, it is which is normal is parallel to the given line. Normal is parallel to the line. So 21st question see. It's very simple here. Directly you can take it and you can find out the slope here. Slope is given to you. Point find out करना. Equation find out करना sir. Question में point नहीं है. It is not asking, but point find out करना. How do you find out the point? Slope according to the formula you need to find out, and that slope should we have to make it equals to the given line slope. From that x value आ जाएगा. That x value you have to substitute in y, and x and y values आएगा तो point आ गया. Point and slope we are having, then equation of the normal. Can you do it? बोलना. You can do it. Difficult problems let us discuss. Okay. Now let us move to the next question here. Twenty-second one. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the parabola y square equal to 4ax at that point. 8e square and 2a. Equation of the normal and the equation of the tangent. Slope of the tangent equal to dy by dx. dy by dx find out करना है. ये कोई problem complicated नहीं है. You can do it. 22nd one. Let us move to the next question. 23rd. So what is 23rd is given to you here. Prove that the curves x equal to y square and xy equal to k cut at right angles. Completely this question is different. Let us discuss this question. So what are the two curves are given to you here? X equal to y square and xy is equals to k. Two curves cut at right angles if 8k square is equals to 1. Condition is what? 8k square is equal. Curves cutting right angles क्या है? What is mean by curves cutting in right angles? Curves right angle में cut करें, lines right angle में cut होता है. Curves right angle में cut होना nothing but what here? Curves are cutting right angles is nothing but their tangents are perpendicular to each other. If the two curves are intersect at right angles, if the tangents are perpendicular, that is nothing but ये curve है sir. इसका tangent ये है. Another tangent is perpendicular like this. Another curve is like this, suppose. So now both the tangents are perpendicular. इसका tangent ये है. इसका tangent, sorry, ये दोनों कर्व, sorry, ये दो कर्व perpendicular नहीं है. Like this. ये दोनों कर्व perpendicular. इसका tangent ये है, इसका tangent ये. Suppose as these two are perpendicular tangents, then the curves are called perpendicular. Means curves cutting each other right angles. So that is nothing but the product of the slopes of this curve and this curve, means curve tangent, should be equals to -1. So we need to find out here slope of the tangent this one, slope of the tangent this one. So here two curves you need to write very clearly. Two curves cut at right angles if their corresponding tangents are at right angles. If their corresponding tangents are at right angles. So that is nothing but if the tangents are at right angles, product of the slopes of the tangents will be equals to -1. Product of the slopes of the tangent is equals to -1. So slope of the tangent of this curve, you have to find slope of the tangent of this curve, you have to find. So x is equals to y square. Differentiating, 1 is equals to 2y dy by dx. Okay. From this, dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2y. इसका भी कर्व xy is equals to k. X into dy by dx plus y into 1. Product is equals to 0. Constant है ना? Constant. So from this dy by dx is equals to, we are going to get minus y by x. Minus y by x. Now what to do here? What is the slope of the tangent? Particular point is not at all given to you. But here what to do here? ये दोनों equations को solve करना. At what place they are cutting? At the intersection point of these two curves. अभी ये points है ना? ऐसा draw कर लिया ना? दोनों का intersection point है ना? ये intersection point find out करना. At that intersection point, the tangent should be perpendicular. So what is the intersection point of these two? Intersection point क्या है दोनों का बोलो तो दोनों को solve करना. So दोनों को solve करना. How do you solve? X equal to y square है. Here x value y square इसमें substitute करना. On solving, x is equals to y square. Otherwise, on substituting, in xy is equals to k. So y square into y is equals to k. Y cube is equals to k. Y is equals to k power 1 by 3. And x is equals to y square. So k power 1 by 3 whole square. So k power 2 by 3. Therefore, intersection point of two curves is x value k power 2 by 3, k power 1 by 3. At this particular point, the slopes should be, the product of the slopes should be equals to -1. So now, at that particular point, slope of the tangent. First, iska slope find out. So that means we need to substitute here. We need to substitute here. Okay. So what do you get here? The slope of the tangent at k power 2 by 3 comma k power 1 by 3 is slope m1 मान लो इसको. This is equals to 1 by 2y, 2 power 1 by m1. Okay. Slope of tangent here at k power 2 by 3 into k power point. इसको m2 मान लो. Okay. So what do you get? Minus k power 1 by 3 by k power 2 by 3. So which is equals to minus k power 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. As the Which one?
So minus 1 by 3 and minus k minus k.
किधर minus k?
Minus k.
माइनस के, हाँ ये माइनस है, इधर माइनस y by x है ना,
Minus k.
with this minus and this minus कैसे कर, और बेसिक थिंग है ये क्या है, पावर में है ना, or if you want you can write this one as a m2 is equals to minus 1 by k power positive हो जाए. Now here as the curves are cut right angles, then their product is so since curves cut at right angles, tangents are perpendicular to their tangents perpendicular to each other. Therefore, product of slopes is equals to minus 1. So this slope is this one. So 1 by 2 power into minus 1 by k power 1 by 3. This is equals to minus 1. Now this minus 1 and minus 1. From this, what you are going to get it? 2 power k power 1 by 3, k power 1 by 3. 2 by 3, k power 2 by 3. This is equals to 1. ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया और उधर लेके गया is equals to 1. Okay. So now what to do here? We need ये power 1 by 3 नहीं होना. Cubing on both sides. 2k whole power 1 by 3 whole cube is equals to 1 cube. 8k power 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 is equals to 1. 3 will get cancelled. 8k square is equals to 1. ओके, समझ में आया? प्रॉब्लम थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. एनी डाउट? प्रजीत, प्रजीत, something you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now is it clear to you? Actually, what we need to do first, we need to find out this intersection point, but we have missed it. First intersection point find out करना. Two curves are cutting at right angles is nothing but yet where they are touching, where they are intersecting, at that particular point the tangents should be perpendicular to each other. At that particular point where they are intersecting at that particular point. So 24th question also something different hai. Here it is given to you the parabola. So find the equation of the tangent and normal to the given parabola at that particular point. ये भी easy है, not different है. कर सकते. Direct equation of the normal and tangent is asking to you. Point also given to you, x0, y0. x0, y0 is given to you. Okay. So what is the question here? It is given to you. Little bit faster I am going to do it. At the particular point x0, y0. x0, y0 है ना? हाँ. So you need to differentiate this with respect to x. So 2x by a square, 2y by b square, dy by dx is equals to 0 होगा. So from this dy by dx is equals to minus 2x by a square into b square by 2y. ये direct इधर लो. So what do you get here? dy by dx is equals to minus 2 will get cancelled. b square x by a square I. This is at the particular point slope of tangent. इधर 0 0 हो जाए. Point है ना, 2 का मत भी दे दिया मान लो. Now y minus y0 is equals to ये slope आया minus b square x0 by a square y0 x minus x0. Equation of the tangent. Equation of the normal बोला है. y minus y0 is equals to इसको reciprocal a square y0 by b square x0 into x minus x0. That's equation of the normal. Simple question. इसमें कुछ complication नहीं. But curve is given to you as a parabola. No complication at all here in this. It's very simple here. And find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equals to under root of 3 minus x, which is parallel to the given line. ये भी easy है. Point is not given. Okay, if you want एक problem मैं बोलता हूँ ऐसे वाला model की जैसा. Already we have discussed it, but once again, if you want, then let us see. 25th problem see here. Y is equals to under root of 3x minus 2, and it is tangent 4x minus 2y plus 5. Tangent is parallel to this one. What is the slope of this line? What is the slope of this line? Minus a by b. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Slope of that line is equal to minus a by b. Minus a by b means what do you get? Minus 2. Minus 4 by minus 2 is nothing but 2. 2 is the slope of the tangent. Indirectly given. So, इसको differentiate करो. dy by dx is equals to root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. And again, this को differentiate करना. 3x minus 2. 3 आ जाएगा. So, that 3 should be multiplied. This is the, and this will be equals to slope. Slope of the tangent is that one. 3 by 2 into under root of 3x minus 2 is equals to 2. Under root of 3x minus 2 is equals to 3 by 4. 3x minus 2 is equals to 9 by 16. है ना? X value find out करना. After finding x value, that x substitute here y value आ जाएगा. Point आ जाएगा. 3x is equals to 9 by 16 plus 2 by 1 is equals to 16. So 9 plus 32. What do you get? 41 by 16. 3x. X is equals to 41 by 16 by 3. X is equals to 41 by 48. Problem is you are going to get, point you are going to get it is completely different, 41 by 48. So this substitute in the given y equal to under root of 3x minus 2 में substitute करो, y value आ जाएगा 3 into 41 by 48 minus 2. So y is equals to under root of 123 minus 48 means 96 by 48. So y is equals to under root of 427 by 48. सही है ना? y equal to 3x 41 by 48. बाकी सब तो सही है ना? 48 2 सा 96. हाँ yes सही. So if you are is it possible to cancel? 316 the 3 9 the. So y equal to 3 by 4. So the point is this one 41 by 48 comma 3 by 4 is the point. And the slope is 2. Equation of the tangent is us. What is the equation of the tangent? Y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x. That's all. Use करो 55. Simplification. Complication कुछ भी नहीं है. Complete throughout the exercise, only 2 or 3 problems are having a different problems. That's what we have discussed. Okay. Next, 26th one. Slope of the normal to the curve at x equal to 0 is very simple here. What is the curve given to you? Y equal to 2x square. Sin x is given to you. Don't get confused with that. y is equals to 26th problem, 2x square plus 3 sin x. At x is equals to slope of the normal to this curve. Slope of the normal is you need to differentiate with respect to x. X equal to 0 good. X equal to 0 substitute करना. So dy by dx is equals to 4x plus 3 cos x. X equal to 0 good. So slope of the minus 1 by dx x equal to 0. So minus 1 by 0 हो जाएगा. 3 cos 0 degree. So minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 is the slope of the normal. Tangent is asking plus 3 हो जाएगा. Okay. 27th question. The line y is equal to x plus 1 is the tangent to the curve y square is equal to at that point. At what point this is the tangent to the given curve? How do you find out 27th question? Equation of normal is equation the tangent is given, curve is given. Curve is y square equal to 4x. Equation of the tangent is y is equals to x plus 1. What's the slope of this line? Right, mx plus c form. One. Slope as per this one, 2y dy by dx is equals to, so dy by dx is equals to 4 by 2y. This 4 by 2y is 2y is equals to 4, y is equals to 2, y equals to 2 इधर substitute. 4 is equals to 4x, x is equals to 1. So 1 comma 2 is the point where this is a type of question. 1 comma 2 is the point. समझ में आया?